Hi and welcome to this video where we are going to look at the laws of indices. Okay, so laws of indices. So for our resource book, Basic Engineering Math, John Bird, this was on page 39. So here I'll write down a few things here which most likely you are familiar with. Is that when we have a to the power m times a to the power n, where here terminology m is called the exponent. Okay, m, these powers here, m and n, called the exponents, while a is the base. So the law for multiplication is that if the base is the same and we are multiplying, we shall just get the base, we write the base, and then we add the exponents. The second one tells us that again, if the base is the same and we are dividing, we simply write the base and then we subtract the exponents in that order. 3, we have that a to the power m, then n raised to the power n is simply going to be a raised to the power m times n. Then a to the power m divided by n, we can write it in the form m times m, okay, using the third law here, and then outside times 1 over n, because we know this goes back to this, what you already said, m times n. This is m times 1 over n gives us m over n. However, what we want to write is that we can write this one here, a to the power m, then anything to the power 1 over n means the nth root. In other words, if it was b to the power 1 over r, it simply means the rth root of b. So here we are talking about the nth root of a to the power m. And if it is raised to a negative exponent, a to the power negative n, what we simply do is just take the reciprocal, but with the exponent changed to a positive power, and then any number which is raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, so the rest of the examples are for us to simplify and use those rules or those laws we have seen. For example, this multiplied by a, b to the 3 and c to the 5. Okay, so we can, this is going to be a to the 3, then we multiply it by a to the 3 multiplied by a, then we multiply b squared, then we multiply by b cubed. We are simply arranging them to make sense. Okay, so you can combine that, and use the rules we already know to simplify to the results. Okay, so that is going to be the rest of the procedure. Yeah, you can try out all the examples that are given. In case you find any difficulty, please add in the comment section or ask for help. We shall come in to help you. There is this problem, problem 15. It says a to the power 3 b squared c to the 4 a b c to the power negative 2. Of course, they want us to evaluate this when a is 3, b is 1 over 8, and c is 2. However, we first have to simplify this using the laws we have seen. So we know from actually I think the first or the second video that first we can split this in this form. Okay, and then now we can maybe write it in this way, Remember there is a silent power 1 there, which we don't write. B squared divided by b, c to the power 4 divide by c to the power negative 2. So did I say minus? This is divide by, sorry. So we are dividing the base is the same. What is the exponents? We subtract, okay? And then here we subtract, so you need to write that, and then here we subtract. But please take note here that now you have 4 minus negative 2, okay? Since the base is the same here and we are dividing, what do we do to the powers? Remember, this is 4 and this is negative 2, so it is 4 minus negative 2, which gives us c to the 6. And then now you can substitute in these values which they have given you: a for 3, 1/8 for b, and 2 for c, and then you simplify and give the result. So you can please follow the rest of the examples that are given and the rest of the problems. They are simply making use of these laws which we have seen. And yeah, if you find any difficulty, please remember to post in the section and we shall help you. Thank you.